Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand. It's March 11th and I'm trying to get some alcohol at my CVS pharmacy. I'm here at 9:30. I should have been here at 8. And I'm gonna get some supplies. I was told they would restock by now, so stay with me. Let's go shopping together. These are my street shoes. I'm gonna keep them tucked under my table because those are the ones I walk around with. Now I know the virus falls to the ground, but I worry about what's on the bottom of these shoes and tracking them into my house. So these are my outside shoes for when I do my little errands when I have to do an errand. It's March 11th and I'm off to CVS to get my rubbing alcohol because they said if I get here early enough, I'd be able to get it on this Wednesday morning. Here we go. And another pair of gloves, and another pair of gloves, and another pair of gloves. Bites dust. Going into the parking lot at my local CVS, it looks pretty good. I see some spots. And my specs. I love this thing. When I go, it sucks in. When I go, it sucks out. When it fogs up my glasses. I can't see y'all. Going in. Wipes. They got some more exam gloves in, ranging from $10.49 for only $40 to $21.49 for $120. Did you get your shipment of alcohol in, the rubbing alcohol?
Ask them up front. They're stocking right now.
Oh, thank you. I made it just in time. All right, let's go. Gosh, I'm embarrassed. I wasn't watching or I was driving. Uh-oh. We didn't rub the alcohol in today.
No, we didn't.
Okay, do you know when you might? I was told it was going to come in at 8 o'clock today by the pharmacist, and she says you have it in the bag and you're stocking the shelves. How's that much?
I didn't see anything.
Thank you. Did you get any alcohol packages, swabs, and stuff? Oh, we're not getting out right now. Great, thank you. This is what they got in. He told me. This is where all the supplies are that the truck had, and they didn't get any bottles in at all. Oh my gosh. Wow. That is disappointing. They told me it would be in, and they were unpacking the shelves, unpacking the truck, and it would be in the front of the store. This is all they have. Oh, that is so disappointing. Oh no. I have so many friends that need this. I have an inclination in my heart to buy these for my friends. I am having to make a decision now that is so sad for me. I'm gonna get one for me. I might tell them they're here, but it just makes me cry because I want to give this to all my friends. I don't want to be called the hoarder. A lot of people do. But it's so sad because I know every single one of my great girlfriends, and I have so many of them so supportive, would want one of those. Everybody would want it and would say, thank you, Rebecca, for thinking of me. But I don't know what to do. I might text them now and ask them, hey, they have these, do you want any? I'll get them for you. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. It is now raining in Santa Barbara. So I'm gonna go to my car and finish up and tell you what's going on. I got more to tell you. And regarding those disinfecting wipes, my girlfriend's, I just touched my face with my glove. I can't get over that habit. That's such a fun. I got some texts from my girlfriends, so that's great. So I got some for them. You know, a lady came in and she said she wanted to get some, and I asked her, she was older. I said, hey, are you going to be wanting to stock up? And she says, yeah, I got enough stuff at home, and you know. And then she was looking at the disinfecting wipes and said, yeah, people are putting one of those in their car just in case they get out, they want to wipe down a shopping cart. You know, simple. Keep them in your car. She goes, oh, okay. And she did. So, I mean, I hope, I don't know, I don't think I'll be going out very much, but I really want to get the rubbing alcohol because I have a thing that doesn't take aloe vera gel, a DIY on how to make hand sanitizer. I think that's good. So that's what I want to do. Okay, I'm a sinner. They had a whole lot of toilet paper, so I took some more. I don't think that's such a big sin. I don't know. As I'm giving away food that I make for people on my front doorstep. I might also give them away a thing of toilet paper. It's kind of cute. That's kind of funny. Oh, and I had to get some more cereal. I just put my cart back, and I have to say, I had the choice with my debit card to get some cash back. It's like the first time in my life I put, oh, no cash back. I don't think I'll be doing that anymore either. All these little decisions, they just start floating around in your head. And I'm thinking about everything now in a way I never did before. All the way down to I just closed the car door with my glove on and brought all those germs inside my car. What was I thinking? Touching my phone, oh no. Another reason to have a thing of disinfectant wipes in my car. I'm Rebecca Brand. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and make sure you comment, because that's what helps YouTube get these things out there so other people can see them. Ring the bell to get notified of my next video as I do more on the coronavirus. I'm wishing your family very, very good health. And of course you. But everybody that you love in life, let's prepare so we can minimize the community spread. And just think this. If you manage to not pass it on to someone else, if you prevent it for yourself, that is so great, because then you don't take the chance of, if you were to get someone else sick, even though you might survive, how badly would you feel to know that you got someone else sick that might die? Well, that's the whole point. We're doing this not for us only, but we're doing this for our community and for people we love around us. I have a whole playlist of coronavirus videos, and if you have any ideas for them, let me know so I can make them. That's kind of the silver lining to the cloud, is making these videos, getting closer to the people that watch me, reading your comments, getting to know you. That is my silver lining, is sharing my life with you. Bye-bye.